Hi guys, I am really very excited to have you with me in this course. And I'm very excited to show you how to animate in After Effects. Believe me, it's gonna be an awesome journey. You will do fantastic animations. If you completed the earlier sections about text and shapes, you have a solid foundation to start creating graphics and putting them in motion. Guys, After Effects is all about fun, is all about experimenting, is all about options, about imagining and creating. So please get into that young spirit, the very young spirit, like a little boy or a little girl jumping around and trying to find out what can I do here. So please immerse yourself and let's dive in and have fun. You will start by having an overview on how to animate, and I will introduce you to lots of tips and tricks, including the motion path if you like. You will move on to learn about a structured method on how to create a motion graphics project. You will use this method to create your first animation. I would say this is an introduction. This is, how to work. It's easy, it's simple, yet you will be introduced to more tips and to more keyframe manipulation. Then we'll make it more complex. Here you are. You have a full video here. It's like news, where you create a more complex animation with many other layers, and you will learn more about sequencing and how to time the animation according to your priorities within the video. Then we'll move on to another animation here. The purpose of this animation will be to learn how to animate the shapes inside the shape layer. I would say this is just a start, but it's important that you start working on shapes inside the shape layers and what's the anchor point about and stories like this. Then we'll move on to complicate even more, and you have a full motion graphics project here. The animation and the timing and everything will become very important to have a very structured animation. Please guys, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the Q&A section of the course. I will be very happy to help you. Let's dive in the next lecture, and together we will start creating some fantastic animation. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.